You're watching the Daily Market Comment by Marios Hadjikyriacos. I'm Maria Pachardis. Thanks for joining us at XM.com. Tehran didn't take long to retaliate against the U.S. assassination of its most powerful general, as overnight Iran attacked with ballistic missiles 2 military bases in Iraq that are hosting American troops. Luckily, or perhaps intentionally, there have been no reports of casualties so far, and the size of the material damage is being assessed. Markets initially reacted in classic risk-off fashion, with Asian stock markets getting hammered and Wall Street futures falling sharply, as safe havens such as the Japanese yen and gold roared higher. Meanwhile, oil prices rose fiercely, with WTI crude climbing to a new 8-month high. Yet these moves retraced in the following hours. Futures are now pointing to a positive open on Wall Street, while the yen has surrendered all its intraday gains to trade practically flat against its major peers. Oil and gold are still in the green, though both have given up the vast majority of the gains accrued after the missile salvo. Much of this market serenity is owed to both sides signaling they don't want to escalate matters any further. Iran's foreign minister tweeted that his nation took defensive steps and that we do not seek escalation or war. A few minutes later, President Trump echoed a similar message, saying that all is well, with the tone of his tweet being rather upbeat, certainly not indicative of someone about to aggressively counterpunch. Overall, investors seem to have sided with the view that while this is clearly a worrisome situation, it doesn't end with an actual war. The concern was that Iran would strike back against U.S. personnel, leaving Trump no choice but to hit back again, generating a vicious tit-for-tat cycle of retaliation. With no U.S. casualties to speak of, though, and with Tehran having replied in a strong enough fashion to save face domestically, the risk of the situation escalating out of control appears fairly low. This was today's Daily Market Comment. Thanks for watching at XM.com.